Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today, I will be playing
That's why I was here. I'm not sure. There was many comments about this guy repeatedly asking for me to react to some thunderstorm video, and I think I was gone for like 8 months. See this guy, Elijah Basley. What thunderstorm video? Okay, dude, I can't edit well right now. Yeah, the face cam is kind of broken. I don't know why. For me, he doesn't have one. I don't know why. Yeah, he probably just wants to see me. If it's something just about, like, something about news, I don't know. I don't get why you would want me to watch an airplane, or I think it's an airplane, but why would you want to, like, if it's something, like, if nothing interesting is gonna happen, I'm probably just gonna have to stop watching it because I don't get the point. Honestly. Siren head is louder than your voice for sure. Yeah, hang on, for real? For real? Oh my goodness, look at those robots. They're called Robo Warriors. Oh my goodness, David Thompson, Christopher Evans. Oh, they're disgusting. Just delete them. Delete them. Why can't Spider Clobber simply remove them? There. Just like that. Sub to this dude. No, I cannot actually go to this channel. Ooh, Discord. What's that? Oh, the beast. Oh, this guy's doing a lot of Minecraft videos. Also, your dog ruined the... Bruh. Okay, then. Oh, this! It's here. Shut up, bot. Logan, the Mega, the Wolf. I am not a bot. I think this guy, the reason he only subscribed to Spider Clobber is probably because of me and the fact that Peridot or Spinel, whatever those people are, they never made it to the show. They never made it. I don't know why. It's just taking a while. And you know what? They should appear in the next video. So yeah, because of this dude, I'm back. Because of this dude. Let's see if this is working. I'll just wait until it start working. Hang on. I don't know. What video was this on so I can find it? No. Kirby and the Amazing Mirror 5. My goodness, there's a lot of Discord messages. Okay then. Now, since I know what video, I just gotta find Kirby and the Amazing Mirror 5. Apparently this dude likes to play old games. There!
Hello, what's up guys?
Like this dude's intro. Oh wait, why is it not here? Why is it not here? Where is it? Anacondas versus creepypastas.
Basically, I was reading some comments, and I was being requested creepypastas versus the Anaconda boss for a really long time.
Restaurant monstrosity.
So I'm gonna be doing that.
Versus...
So today will be the Anaconda. And if you're wondering why do I...
I'm not sure. What's this? Oh. Okay, let's check.
Playing Kirby and the Amazing Mirror.
Maybe he's here.
Playing Kirby, Nightmare, and Dreamland. Yeah.
My boy, it's a boy. Okay, I kind of get that joke. Project Monsters. Oh, I heard he's making mods for Minecraft now. That's actually pretty nice. Skinny Leech. Oh, he's making mods. That's brand new. Oh, he loves this video, maybe. The Winged Girl. What's this?
That hard, guys. She is that hard.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I'm interested. I'm trying to find the thunderstorm video, but...
Really
oh, wow. Oh, Jesus! She's big. That human is big. What kind of magic is this? She doesn't have wings.
Oh my God, she's very strong.
Oh. She is very strong. Of course, yes. You died very easily. Let me see if there's any mention in here. What's this? Never slept.
Power director.
Oh, wait. Oh, this one! Flying around a thunderstorm at 30,000 feet. Okay, this one! Oh my goodness, that must be so horrifying to be at 30,000 feet. My goodness. What in the... Really? Humans can get this far high up? Dear Celestia! They get this far up. Can they even go farther? I'm not sure. Is there like a disaster coming? I'm not sure. I don't know what to expect. I've been playing a lot of horror games. That's basically why I'm here on this channel, I think. Yeah. I think my last appearance was I have no idea. Whoa. And also I think there Peridot. Hang on. Oh, I think Peridot did have her own video, but that was like months ago, like I think like 5 months ago, I'm not sure, or 6, or even 7, or almost 8 months. She reacted to some movie. She was reacting to The Mist, but like I think Peridot's purpose is to react to movies in this channel. And basically, I think she will be, Spinel will be told to react to Silent Hill and its sequel. That will be interesting. I'm gonna watch this movie. Only Revelations is on Netflix for some reason. I'm not sure, and is that the ocean? Or is that just the sky? That's probably an ocean. Oh my goodness, imagine this thing failing to operate. That would be so horrifying, but... my goodness. Those clouds are the biggest. Oh, they're in the city now. They're entering the city. How is this working on an airplane, though? How did he even upload that to YouTube? I don't get it. Was that really all the video? That's pretty interesting. Okay, then. That is, pretty damn interesting. Oh, Godzilla Domination. So, yeah, that's what I was supposed to... No. That was what I was... Oh, his first ever good add-on, Poison. However, it got cancelled and never made it to MCPDL.
Killing the boss. And if you're wondering what happened...
Oh, that music is amazing.
Eat the poison apple.
Why is it repeating? Wait, poison apple? Why would you eat that? Oh, hang on, I think he made it useful. That's kind of very unrealistic, and why is there honey bottles? Why is there a cow? Dear Celestia! What? Oh my god. Dear God! That apple!
Like, what? Basically, oh my god! The poison apple gives you a lot of bops. Oh my goodness, imagine if you're like jumped and then... Oh, that's right. Oh my goodness, I feel so dizzy. And if you're wondering what happens if you hold this, you don't want to. Oh. Hang on. Is the item broken? Well, it hits supremely hard. It does like infinite damage, really. It does infinite. Basically, I made it so that it can destroy anything.
Whoa, that witch.
Oh my goodness. Try to attack that freaking skeleton. I wanna try the wanna try the. This has also infinite boot. Wait a minute. You don't. And yes, poison can work on some of the mobs. Like sometimes even never, or simply just twice during battle. Making this.
Okay, that's all for today, guys. Bye.